You're thinking about your TD bank account and wondering, what's the magic number? How much do you really need to keep tucked away? It's a great question, and the answer, as with most things in finance, depends entirely on which account you have. The bank offers a range of accounts, and they all come with different rules. The main goal for most people is simple: avoiding the monthly maintenance fee. This fee can often be waived, and keeping a specific minimum daily balance is one of the most common ways to do it. For a basic, everyday checking account like the TD Complete Checking, the required daily balance is relatively modest. It's in the hundreds of dollars. Maintain that minimum, and you usually see the monthly fee disappear. For a savings account, the minimum daily balance to waive the fee is often much lower, sometimes just a couple of $100s. However, if you have a premium checking account, like the TD Beyond Checking, you'll need to keep a significantly higher daily balance to avoid the fee. These premium accounts come with extra perks, like waived ATM fees and interest earnings, which is why the required balance is higher. It's in the thousands. But here's the key: the minimum balance isn't your only option. You can often waive the fee by setting up a qualifying monthly direct deposit, regardless of your balance. Alternatively, the bank may look at your combined balance across all your linked TD deposit accounts. If that total combined balance hits a certain threshold, which is often in the thousands, the fee is waived on your checking account. So, the money you need isn't a single universal number. It's a strategy tailored to your specific account. Check your account details to pinpoint your target, but remember, the minimum balance is just one of several tools you have to keep your account totally free.